It's a certified 2017 Chevrolet Traverse. There's so much room in this Traverse that those driving the competitors' cars are filled with cargo envy. And it comes with all the amenities you need. V6 engine, manual tilting steering column, external memory control, manual telescoping steering column, Wi-Fi hotspot, AM/FM satellite radio, rear lip spoiler, wireless phone connectivity, and automatic transmission. Car and Driver reports overall, the Traverse is quiet and comfortable under most conditions. On the highway, engine and wind noise are low and the ride is excellent. Performance, value, durability, Chevy. Take it for a test drive today.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.